In this section, we'd like to look at what entropy is. So entropy, given the symbol S, is a measure of the disorder in a system. Another way to think about disorder might be how random something is. So if something has a lot of disorder, then it's arranged very randomly. So as you can imagine, gases will have lots of entropy, whereas very organised solids will have very small amounts of entropy. Everything has a certain degree of disorder or randomness, and therefore entropy values are always positive, and the units of entropy, and this will be given in the question, so not necessarily need to learn this, are in joules per Kelvin per mole. And it's worth mentioning just at this point that it is joules and not kilojoules, and we'll look at that later on. So some changes where the entropy will alter. If we're going from a solid to a liquid to a gas, as we can see with the diagrams there, the particles are becoming more spread out. There's more ways that they can be arranged. See if you can decide whether the entropy is going to increase or decrease as we go from solid to liquid to gas. So well done if you said that the entropy increases. So there's an increase in disorder. They're becoming more randomly arranged. Here's another example where we might be dissolving something. From the diagram we can see we've got some solute and solvent. This might be dissolving something like salt, making a salt solution. So see if you can decide what's happening in terms of entropy here. So is entropy going to increase or decrease? And again, so things are becoming more random and the entropy increases. Here's another one. So making mixtures. So this could be two gases coming together. So what's happening here? What's the entropy change? Is entropy increasing or decreasing? Well done if you said it increases. So again, we've got an increase in disorder. And in this final example, might not be quite as obvious. If we have a look at how we would write this down as a chemical equation, hopefully we can see that's what we'd write. So 2 moles of N2O4 become 4 moles of NO2. And what I'd be looking at there is the number of moles. So 2 moles are turning into 4 moles. So there's an increase in disorder, therefore entropy yet again increases.